Oh my God, you gotta be here.
God, let's pull my rod in. Big boys. These are for musky.
Musky in here?
Yeah.
Not a lot.
Not a lot, but hopefully enough. I've hooked them and I've seen them. All right, putting down some big live baits. Let's go. Really want to catch a musky. We'll see what happens. Oh my God, it looks so good. Dude, this guy's got so much freaking life. Like, this looks incredible. I'm gonna be shocked if nothing eats this. Sorry, buddy. You're a necessary sacrifice. I'm thinking we might, for the musky, we might want to be over in that area over there. Those weeds usually are. We'll give it a try over here. Swimming around like crazy. He might keep setting us off. We'll see how that goes. That's big.
Catfish.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, that thing freaking destroyed it. Yeah, that's exactly how Tommy's hit. Just absolutely destroyed it. Yeah, he was just down there in the mud, dude.
In the mud. Look at that little jig.
Choked it, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Catfish. He's freaking...
It's strong.
He's a strong little guy. Just watch your rod go. That was awesome.
How I hooked that? It barely got hooked.
Yep. Oh, dude, you did barely get him.
Look at that.
Yeah. We both just got popped at the same time. We should have had one by now. Yeah. You double up socks?
Yeah.
Oh, man, it's a big mistake. You can double up socks. I'm building an igloo. We should build a snowman, and then he can fish somewhere else. Like, we'll put him over there. We'll give him a pole. There he is. Crappie. Oh, I got him. No, I still got him. That's hilarious. Look how big his eye is. Him a stunted. How could they be stunted though when there's so many good sized bass in here? I mean, look at the size of that eyeball. That thing is stunted. That's good musky bait, but I have one that's been out all day and no musky. But there's a fish though. A little white crappie. Just gotta weigh 3 times. Later, bud. That little guy hammered it. You got it? Hey, it's the right species. Not the smallest bass I've ever seen in this lake, but hey, you did it. Oh yeah, all right. Yeah, the tiny bluegill. It's like perfect bait size. I might keep it. Oh, found the gill hole, I think. Slammed it, but nothing special. A little bigger than the gills we've been catching, though, at least.
Oh my God, you gotta be here.
God, let's pull my rod in. Big boys.
All right.
Real big. This pole's big too. Let's pull the. Oh, man, that was crazy. Oh yeah, not bad.
Like a bass.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not huge. That was gonna be bigger than that. Man, that was nuts. I almost lost my pole, guys. It's a good one though.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. You can get his head up.
Oh, hey, that's not bad. That is not bad. Okay, I think we're on to something. God, dude, I thought I was gonna lose my pole. I wish I was recording when I went down. That's good though. That's like, might go 3. Maybe. Okay, we need to be closer to shore. We know that now. Upper 2s.
Oh yeah, that's close to 3.
I must pull that pole in.
Didn't take much. What'd you have on it?
Just a minnow.
I got the scale if you really want to weigh it.
No, I thought you had it on you.
Nope.
Nice. Okay.
That was a cool swirl at the end too.
Yeah.
That looked cool.
Wow, that was crazy. I thought I was losing my pole. Like I literally thought I was losing my pole. I just ran.
You need to either set that drag loose when you do that.
I had it like that's a little tight. Well, I'm gonna drop one right back down there.
I was hoping for a big ass musky.
I knew it wasn't a musky because the way. So like musky would be like just crazy pull and drag, and then it would like be like come in like a log pretty much. Yeah. If another one goes, somebody else can grab it. That's just that crappie. I'm calling that crappie. If I wanted a musky. I thought that was gonna be a monster, dude. That's still pretty sweet. Finally getting a little bit of action. That's a slow day though. Let's see when these flags go soaring. Take the float off first. I had it looser. Tighten the drag.
Oh, there's something on you.
Good, good. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
It feels good.
Tighten the drag, tighten the drag, tighten the drag. Oh, did you get off?
Didn't break. That's the glory hole right there.
Yeah. I probably tightened it a little too much.
Nah.
No, we didn't get a good hook set. Shit. Pushed all these down too. This is the money hole here. That's all right. That's all right.
Literally like 10 feet from the bank.
We're gonna get them. We're gonna get them. How big did that feel?
Big.
Man.
It felt
It
big.
looked big.
As soon as I tightened the drag down, the thing almost just went out of my hand.
Can't believe
Looks like you get to come back here.
Yeah, this is getting juicy now. Oh, oh no. I got hit and I went in the tree. I think I got it out. Yep, he took my bait and then I went in the tree. How many is that in a row?
6.
It's ridiculous. It's a pretty little guy. Dude, that's insane.
It's little, but
That's insane though.
7 in a row.
It's a whole school of them right below you. It's unreal, dude.
Yeah.
Got him. I got him. Oh my gosh, he's giant. Dude, he looks like a freaking mutant. He has like eyeballs the size of that bass I caught. He's skinny as shit. There's just like a lot of stunted little fish in here. Monster! I'll bite his head off right now, Nick.
You won't do it.
I'll do it. Somebody gotta film me doing it, but I'll do it. Oh boy, I'm on like the gill juice here. What do I got here? This guy's a little bigger. It's like, dude, their eyeballs are so big. They're choking it now. My God, that's all the way down his throat. Look how big his eyeball is. This is the weirdest looking bluegill I've ever seen in my life. How do I miss 100 in a row over here and then I get this guy choking it down his throat? How awkward this bluegill looks. Like, this bluegill is probably 37 years old. He's 2 inches long. I got 26 minutes left on this card, so I'm at least staying that long. Got him fired up over here. Oh, something different species. It is, I'm not sure, but it ain't a bluegill. It's not a shell cracker. I don't know what the f this is. Green sunfish, maybe? They're fired up over here, though. Look at this, boys. Oh, man, they did it to me again. Yeah, I'm in the tree. He hammered it, and I'm in the tree. Wait, I'm out. So I got him? No. Got him fired up, boys. Someone come in this hole. Everybody get over here. It's all crossed swords, boys. Oh, we're gonna do all 4? And the day strong. 4 rods, 1 hole is the title.